Ever felt like chasing payments was a full-time job in itself? You're out there hammering nails, fixing pipes, mowing lawns, doing the real work, and then the dreaded paperwork. Invoices piling up, forgotten payments, clients asking for copies you can't find. It's a nightmare, right? And you're thinking, isn't there a better way? You've probably heard about Jobber, that software everyone's talking about. It promises to streamline your business, but the big question is, can it actually handle your invoices? Can you send them? Can you track them? Can you stop losing sleep over them? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're not just going to tell you yes or no. We're going to break down the invoicing process in Jobber step by step, show you exactly how it works, and reveal some hidden features that could revolutionize how you get paid. Let's face it, invoicing isn't just about getting money. It's about professionalism, clarity, and building trust with your clients. A well-crafted invoice reflects your attention to detail and reinforces the value you provide. So, can Jobber help you achieve that? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Imagine this. You've just finished a complex landscaping job. You've installed a beautiful patio, planted a vibrant garden, and your client is thrilled. Now it's time to get paid. You need to create an invoice that accurately reflects the scope of work, the materials used, and the labor involved. You want it to look professional, be easy to understand, and get to your client quickly. Traditionally, this might involve manually creating an invoice in a spreadsheet or word processor, printing it, stuffing it in an envelope, and mailing it. Or maybe you're emailing a PDF, hoping it doesn't get lost in their inbox. Either way, it's time-consuming and prone to errors. Jobber aims to change all that. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution for managing your service business, and invoicing is a core component. So, let's see how it actually works. First, let's talk about creating an invoice. Jobber makes it incredibly easy. You can generate an invoice directly from a job, pulling in all the details automatically. This means no more double entry or worrying about forgetting items. You can add line items for labor, materials, and any other services you provided. You can even include photos and notes to provide context and clarity. One of the great things about Jobber is its flexibility. You can customize your invoices to match your brand, add your logo, change the color scheme, and even include personalized messages. This helps you create a consistent and professional look for your business. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Sending invoices. Jobber offers multiple options. You can email invoices directly to your clients, which is fast and efficient. You can even send them via text message, which is perfect for clients who are always on the go. But here's where Jobber really shines, the Client Hub. When you send an invoice, your client receives a link to their own personalized portal. Here, they can view the invoice, download a PDF, and even pay online. This not only makes it easy for your clients to pay, but also gives them a sense of control and transparency. Speaking of online payments, Jobber integrates with several payment processors, allowing you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and even bank transfers. This eliminates the need for manual payment processing and reduces the risk of late payments. You can even set up automatic payment reminders, ensuring that you get paid on time. But what about tracking your invoices? Jobber provides a comprehensive overview of all your invoices, allowing you to see which ones are outstanding, paid, or overdue. You can even generate reports to track your revenue and identify any potential issues. Let's dig a little deeper into some of the features that make Jobber's invoicing so powerful. First, there's the ability to create recurring invoices. If you provide ongoing services, such as weekly lawn care or monthly cleaning, you can set up recurring invoices to be sent automatically. This saves you time and ensures that you get paid consistently. Second, Jobber allows you to create quotes and estimates, which can be easily converted into invoices. This streamlines the entire process, from initial contact to final payment. Third, Jobber integrates with QuickBooks Online, allowing you to seamlessly transfer your invoice data to your accounting software. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures that your financial records are accurate. Fourth, Jobber allows for partial payments and deposits. This is vital for larger jobs that require upfront payment. You can easily track these payments and apply them to the final invoice. Fifth, Jobber has a mobile app that allows you to create and send invoices on the go. This is incredibly useful for tradespeople who are often working on site. You can even capture signatures and collect payments directly from your mobile device. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some people worry about the cost of Jobber. While it's true that there is a monthly subscription fee, the time and money you save on invoicing alone can easily offset the cost. Plus, Jobber offers various plans to fit different budgets. Others worry about the learning curve. While Jobber is a powerful tool, it's also designed to be user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. We've covered the core functionality, but let's talk about some less obvious benefits. Using Jobber for invoicing can improve your cash flow. By sending invoices quickly and offering online payment options, you can get paid faster. This can help you manage your expenses and invest in your business. Can also improve your customer relationships. By providing a professional and convenient invoicing experience, you can build trust and loyalty with your clients. They'll appreciate the ease of use and the transparency you provide. And, of course, it can save you time and reduce stress. By automating the invoicing process, you can free up valuable time to focus on what you do best, providing excellent service to your clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.